with me. Shadows on the ceiling, your perfume still fills the room. Every silence keeps on screaming ever since you said let through. I keep reaching through the darkness, like somehow you're still right here, trying hard to hide the feeling, but losing you's my biggest fear. And then the road I take tonight still leads me back into your eyes. Tell me you need me one more time. Say that your heart still beats with mine. Hold me like the world might disappear, like losing love's your greatest fear. Tell me you want me, don't let go. Don't leave me drowning here alone. Even if the stars stop shining above, I'll still be waiting for your love. Broken pictures on the table, songs we used to sing out loud. Now the memories feel like echoes floating through an empty house. Everybody says keep moving, but they never felt this flame. 'Cause when somebody owns your soul, nothing ever feels the same. If love is just a fragile moment, why does it survive the pain? And if goodbye was truly forever, why do I still whisper your name? Tell me you need me, don't say goodbye. Without your love I lose the light. Every heartbeat calls your name tonight, like a lonely prayer into the sky. Tell me you love me before you leave. Give me one reason to still believe. And if forever slips away somehow, then love me here and now. Maybe love isn't about forever. Maybe it's about the moments that change us forever.